Hi, my name's Natalie. I am a women's community builder and I build places and spaces for women to thrive. Welcome to the first of the women's homes that I plan on building around the world, and I need your help. These will be called B3 Women's Homes, a place for the bold, brave and beautiful. And the first one I'm going to build is the one that we're in right now, B3 Rugby. Rugby is a small market town and it's the place where I grew up, and I always call it the centre of the universe because you can get to everywhere you need to really simply from Rugby. So why am I actually doing this? Well, 20 years ago I had a nervous breakdown. I was in an abusive relationship and ended up suffering with anxiety and depression, and it got so bad that I ended up having to leave London with my daughter and go and live with my mum. And I was always thankful and grateful that I had somewhere to go, but not every woman has a place to go. My heart has always been to support women, and a few years ago I knew that I had to turn this house into a women's home. And honestly, it's been a battle, an absolute battle to get just this far. But I know that there are women out there that are in need of a safe place that they can call home and a place that they can rest and recuperate until they get back on their feet. So my goal is to help women who are struggling with the challenges of domestic violence, drug abuse, mental illness, homelessness, and to provide a firm foundation to rebuild from and the confidence to believe that everything is possible. So I understand the importance of building places and spaces that will inspire and empower these women. So B3 Rugby will be colourful, it will be bold, it will be brave, and it will be beautiful. This is not just a house, it's a home. So what's the plan? Well, I have owned this property for a number of years, and it's a semi-detached building, 2 stories with 8 bedrooms, and it has a single-story forge attached to the rear of the building. The main building was originally used as a HMO, so the plan is to remodel the building into 6 or 7 ensuite bedrooms with a shared kitchen, dining room, and then all centred around a small courtyard. And the forge will be used as a communal training space for the women, where they can have workshops, where there can be sessions, or even use it for childcare facilities. The definition of a forge is to make or shape something by heating it in a fire or furnace in order to create something strong, enduring and successful. And after speaking with the local authority and charities, I felt that this was the best use of the space in order to give the women somewhere comfortable that they can call their own. So as you can see, it is in need of major renovation. It needs new kitchens, new windows, doors, bathrooms. It needs a ton of work. But I honestly believe that this house has the ability to transform these women's lives. So when the women arrive, not only will they feel safe and comfortable, but my heart is that they feel inspired by their surroundings. I really want them to know that somebody took the time and effort to create a home just for them. So I'm creating this home to be life-giving to the women who desperately need it. And I am asking you to help me build it because these women desperately need your help. I know that this is a really big project and it's going to need a lot of money, but your support helps me to hit the ground running, get to work so that I can open the doors of B3 Rugby. There's a long way to go, but with your help, I'll be able to hire local tradesmen to work with my team so that we can get this renovation started. So please join me on this journey of not only creating a place and space for women to survive, but also to thrive. I am creating this home to be life-giving for the women that need it the most. And I'm asking you to help me build it because I can't do this without your help.